Hello, welcome back again, viewers. This is special implicit compound inequalities, and we are supposed to solve and list the values of n. When you have this particular kind of question, if you're not careful, your steps might be a bit confusing. So when you have a situation where you have the variable in the middle, the right hand side and the left hand side, the best way is to split the inequalities into two separate ones and solve them separately. So when you split, we're going to split from 4n is less than 25 minus n. That's one equation. Then 5 plus 2n is less than or equal to 4n. That's another equation. So you split them. That's what you're going to have. From this end to the right, that's what we have. And from this end to the left, that's what we have. Then we solve them separately as normal inequality. So here, to solve, we can minus 2n from both sides. So you have 5 is less than or equal to 2n. Then we divide through by 2. So we have n is bigger than or equal to 2.5. Or this one way of writing this, 2.5 is less than or equal to n, or n is bigger than or equal to 2.5. They mean the same thing. Important thing is to make sure that the opening of the inequality faces what? N. So this side is done. Let's look at the other side. We solve it by grouping the n. So we can add n to both sides. So we now have 5n is less than 25. And to find n, we divide through by 5. So n is less than 5. Now these two answers, especially this one, this is the best one, these two answers could be merged to form one simple inequality. So when you merge it, from 2.5 is less than or equal to n, that's up to this point, and n is less than 5, that's up to this point. So if when you merge it, that is the inequality you're going to have for this one. And if you want to select your answer, the answer will be 3 and 4. And you can really double check and see if it is true. Let's use number 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 4 times 3 is 12. And therefore 12 is bigger than 11. 25 minus 3 is 22. And 12 is less than 22. Let's use 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. Now 4 times 4 is 16. 16 is bigger than 13 as well. 25 minus 4 is 21. So it still satisfies it. But when you go to 5, you realize that it might not work. Let's see what happens to 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 4 times 5 is 20. So this one is satisfied. But you realize that 25 minus 5 is 20. And we expect the middle term to be less than the right hand side. But the middle term, you've got 20. And this one is also 20. And that doesn't satisfy the inequality. That is why the solutions are only 3 and 4. Thanks for watching, and look forward to solving quadratic inequality.